Hey, this is Charlie. Thanks for following the channel. Today we're going to hit on a 86, 125, 250, and 500. We're going to make just a quick video and montage on the bikes, but since we have them all together, you know, we could see that we're in the smaller garage today. The other garage is pretty full right now, so we thought we'd store these in here for the time being. Pretty unique to have these bikes together. You'll see that all of them have the original wheels. And we did, which is unusual for me, we did keep the tires that were on the bike when I got them. And which is pretty funny because some of the conditions weren't that great. But this bike's really unique for the 125 because it was in excellent shape. Everything is OEM, so to speak, on it, except for the plastic and seat cover and things, but you know, down to the silencer. This is a great example too because the exhaust is in excellent shape. This bike as well, the exhaust isn't as good a shape, and we actually did a different coating on it. I definitely would recommend the Cerakote that we did on that exhaust and that exhaust. It just looks more factory original. When you start doing too shiny on the exhaust, it just doesn't look OEM. So lesson learned on this build. I was thinking of redoing the exhaust, but I mean, it is what it is. But all the exhaust, tanks, bike soup to nuts have been gone through. I love the wheel condition in all these. It is hard to find these wheels in really good shape. A lot of the front wheels for these bikes, if you do find the front rim, for example, a lot of them will have beads on it where they might have had a crack or things like that. These rims are in really good shape. What else? What else, Massimo, do you want to hit on these?
Let's take a look at the 500. What's cool about this bike?
Well, this is unique that it's all original. We literally found this bike how you see it. Grips are original, bars, I mean, everything. All the plastic's original on this. The only thing I put on this was the OEM fork guards. And that's really it. So this one is pretty special just because it's truly all original plastic and everything. So yeah, let's have you do a montage so they could get a little bit more of the view of the bikes, and stay tuned for the next ones that we drop. We usually drop a video a week, and thanks. And if you wish, subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.